it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Nigy boy and DJ Mac. Get Wild. Music video. So big up Nigy. Big up Mac. Hot producer right now. Burn Up Road. Bad rhythms. Nigy boy. Bad right now. Bad. Theme time now. Nobody can stop it. Look at the t-shirt. Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt. That's what he said. Not me. You know, that's my slogan, right? All right. Have a next t-shirt. I said, that's what she says, not me. So depends what I react to. Anyway, let's jump in on here with the G officer. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Nigy boy, maybe she could have seen them girl, brother.
Because I'm guy again, I just style ya. She said lately, all that she's been hearing, so such up on music, playing everywhere she goes.
Oh my God! The boss are you style from them. Wait.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
If I use style,
let's go! Let's go!
Basically I say, the girl them tired of the chopper music. Which the girl them tired of the chopper music. Yeah, the girl them tired of the... I'm taking my glasses. Some of them so-called chopper and not chopping. Let's go. Let's go. Nigy boy, I'm telling you now. Nigy boy can't see, but the girl them talk to him can hear.
I just style ya. She said lately, all that she's been hearing, so such up on music, playing everywhere she go. But since I came out, me alone she a play now. Come and pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go.
Let's tell you when Nigy boy said the girl them a telling me no. Remember say no, Nigy boy can't see, but the girl them a talk to him. Him a listen good.
Nigy boy again, because I'm guy again. I just style ya. She said lately, all that she's been hearing,
so such up on music,
playing everywhere she go. But since I came out, me alone she a play now. Come and give her something for rev out, where she can wind up her waist to. Baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama gave you, like you never behavior. Get wild, go crazy, gal and bad, no restraint, girl.
No business.
Let's go.
Me no care. Nigy boy, I say what he must say, and he must say it with his chest. That's what he said, not me. Yo, what am I listening to? The girl let me talk to Nigy. Nigy, listen.
Nigy boy again, because I'm guy again.
Girls and guy again.
She said
lately,
all that she's been
hearing, so such up on music,
playing everywhere she go. But since I came out, me alone she a play now. Come and give her something for rev out, where she can wind up her waist to. Move your body. Baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama gave you, like you never behavior.
Shake what your mama gave you, girl.
Go crazy, gal and bad, no restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy, let the music take you away, get wild. Go crazy, gal and bad, no restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy,
get wild, gal.
Let the
Get
music
wild.
take you away. Baby, get busy. single time you hear my music play, I just wanna see you get wild. Go crazy, gal and mad.
Oh, Buckland! Wall that Nigy!
Go crazy,
Wall that Nigy!
no restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy, let the music take you away, get wild.
What, Buckland?
Pull up!
No, no, no,
Pull up! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, yeah.
no, 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 no.
Nigy boy, again, because I'm again. I just style ya.
Nigy,
said
what's up?
lately, all that she's
Been hearing so such up on music
playing
everywhere she said.
But since I came out, me alone she a play now. Come and give her something for
Rave out.
where she can wind up her waist to.
Move your body.
Baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama
Gave you.
like you never be.
Oi, go.
Get wild, go crazy, gal and bad. No restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy, let the music take you away. Get wild, go
Get
crazy,
crazy.
gal and bad. No restraint, girl,
That's
get
bad,
wild.
this bad.
Go crazy and let the music take you away. Baby, get busy, dance until you feel dizzy. Can't lie, your rhythm intrigue me. I'll follow if you lead me. Darling, I just want you invade my space. Hands all on your body when you drop that bass.
Drop.
Every single time.
Watch your
you hear
partner,
my
watch your
music play. I just wanna see you get wild. Go crazy, gal and mad. No restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy, let the music take you away. Get wild. Go
Blood
crazy.
clot, Nigeria fling somewhere and another blood clot there. Sorry for my French, but me say it again. Nigeria fling somewhere and another clot there. Hey,
Let the music
fling one
take
and I
you
like
away.
it. What it?
Go
Yeah.
crazy, gal and mad. No restraint,
Restrain it.
girl, get wild. Go crazy and let the music take
Oh,
you away.
Nigeria boy, you can see yourself. You know where you do, brother. You know where you going without there, Nigeria. Nigeria, you know where you going with.
Get wild, go crazy, and let the music take you away. Express yourself, girl. Show me some energy. Don't be afraid, girl. Come put it all on me. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Kick up, put it down, put it down,
Put it down.
Baby, turn it around and around and around. I just wanna see you get wild, go crazy,
Gal and bad.
no
Restrain.
restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy. Let the music take you away. Get wild. Go
Crazy,
crazy. Gal and bad. No
Blood
restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy. And let the music take you away.
Pull up!
DJ man,
Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let's go!
DJ man,
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
DJ Mark. Pick up yourself, bro. Let's go. We're not, yo. Let me just say this from now. This are the baddest song drop since 2024 start in a dancehall. Me no care what nobody wants say. Me no care what your favorite artist. Me no care. This is my opinion. This are the baddest song drop in 2024 so far. Me no give a fuck. Thomas Chopper song for truth. Thomas, the girl them a talk, man. The girl them a talk to Nigy. Nigy, tell me what the girl them a say.
Nigy boy again because I'm gonna get
Nigy, tell me.
She
Say
said
lately,
all that she's
been hearing so such up on music.
playing everywhere she go. But since I came out, me alone she a play now. Come and give her something for rave out, where she can wind up her waist to. Baby, it's a pleasure to be your entertainer. So shake what your mama gave you, like you never behave. Get wild, go crazy, gal and bad. No restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy, let the music take you away. Get wild, go crazy, gal and bad. No restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy and let the music take you away. Baby, get busy, dance until you feel dizzy. Can't lie, your rhythm intrigue me. I'll follow if you lead me. Darling, I just want you invade my space. Hands all on your body when you drop that bass.
Drop.
Every single time you hear my music play, I just wanna see you get wild. Go crazy.
Buckler, you don't know that, brother?
Hands all on your body.
Man sound like Chris Breezy there, so listen to the part here.
When you drop that bass, drop. Every single time you hear my music
Listen to the
play,
part.
I just wanna see you get wild.
Chris Breezy.
Girl, I'm wild. No restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy. Let the music take you away. Get wild. Go crazy. Girl, I'm bad. No restraint, girl, get wild. Go crazy. And let the music take you away. Express yourself, girl. Show me some energy. Don't be afraid, girl. Come put it all on me. Put it down, put it down, put it down. Kick up, put it down, put it down, put it down. Baby, turn it around and around and around. I just wanna see you get wild. Go crazy.
Galang bad. No restraint, girl.
Get
Wild.
Go crazy. Let the music take you away. Get wild. Go crazy. Galang. No restraint, girl. Get wild. Go crazy. And let the music take you away.
Yo, after me make me talk, me no care who I'm bex, you know. Me no care who I'm bex. Me make it already, I'm gonna make it again. This are the baddest song drop in a 2024 in a dancehall. So far, Nigy boy. Me no care what no one say in the comment section, you know. But no favorite artist them, you know. This better than all of them. You know why? Cause the boss has say what the girl them been a say. The boss has say what the girl them been a say. All them a hear lately too much chopper song. The girl them can't get wild in a dance again, brother. The girl them can't break out to chopper song, brother. Selector play song for man, give money, pull up so them can get extra money when them done book for the party already, brother. And them thing them mash up the thing, bro. So Nigy boy, I make you know what the girl them a tell him. Remember say he's the continental boss. Can I just say, big up DJ Mac, number one. Big up Dr. Love, who is Nigy boy's manager. Dr. Love, big up yourself, bro. No or never, great video, big up yourself. Big up the sexy females them in the video. Yeah. Big up Nigy boy. Nigy boy, I put that one forward. It's a next hit song again. No profanity, no nudeness, no... You not tell the girl them say down in a throat. You not tell the girl them say come in a fuck out throat. You not do none of that, brother. Brother, you are very intelligent and you are a very talented person, dog. And we love it and we accept it, dog. Cause dancers need this, brother. So when me say this are the baddest song dropping at 2024 so far, me no want nobody come tell me say, yeah, but this are the... Me no care. Me no care. Me no care. Me no care. That's how me I tell you. Alright? So, me gonna leave that one here where it is. If you enjoy the reaction, if you want to see more Nigy boy, click on any one of them two songs here and you get a next banger reaction. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.